These products are some of Amazon's killers, and all of them are under $10. Yes, you heard that right, and they are that good. From miracle cleaning products, you guys know I do not take that expression lightly, to a $200 style facial you can get for about $2. I'm not kidding. Plus what to do when your deodorant stops working. Don't pretend that this hasn't happened to you. I truly have all of the hacks I would recommend.
No electrician or skill required.
I'm saying.
We're first starting off with cleaning products. All of these are meant to be done on a dime, and I don't share with you anything I don't use myself. These damp rags are a new favorite. They're reusable cleaning cloths. They're perfect for pet hair, dust, and grime, and you don't have to use any chemicals. These are thick rubbery rags that you get wet and run underwater, and then you wring them out. If you don't like cleaning and you want to save time, this product is definitely for you. Now, I love to use this on surfaces that are hard to reach, especially for dusting. I always work in an S pattern and it takes everything off and does a really great job of collecting it on the rag. Now, Scrub Daddy has a version of this. There's also an off-brand version of this. I'll be sure to link down below, but they're about the same price. Then you just have to rinse these out and go again. They're great for dust all over your house, especially if you're bothered by the smell of chemicals or you just want to be a little more eco-friendly. These also work really great on blinds, and dare I say it, it's kind of fun.
So when these dry, they get kind of hard like this, and all you have to do is re-moisten them and re-rinse them out. But what I love is to use these on my stainless steel. Check this out.
In my estimation, why this works so well is it uses very little water. In addition to the stickiness of the rag, it doesn't leave streaks, and that's why it's great for all of your appliances. You can clean your entire kitchen really fast and affordably. You also may have seen these damp dusters by Scrub Daddy. Now, when I first shared this, y'all, it was expensive. I think it was like $14 or $15, and you guys were like, I am not spending that. But now you can get a 4-pack for just a few bucks. Clean with just water, especially if you struggle with your baseboards or you wait for them to get really dirty, like I do, before you actually do any cleaning. This stuff works great. And you guys know how much I love my white bedding, which leads me to my next trick you definitely have to pick up right now. Folex, and here is why. Literally right now, it is $6.65 on Amazon. Normally this is over $20, but this is a true miracle cleaner. It's a perfect spot cleaner for your upholstery like couches. When you know, you know. All you do is spray a little bit on, and then I use a bar rag to wipe away. It doesn't have any odor, and I've yet to find a product that is not picked up by Folex. I get lots of questions about how to get blood, rust, stain, wine, especially out of rugs. All I do, even for really crazy stains, is I spray some Folex over top, and then I do a technique called wicking, where I set some paper towel over top and then a microfiber rag on top, and then I blot. This is especially good for fresh stains. Then I lift off, and you can see the Folex is already doing its job. I give it another layer of spraying and wicking, and then I go through, and on the final pass, I give it a quick rub and a final spray. And holy cow, does this work. Look at the before and after. And another under $10 product you have to know about is Iron Out. If you have hard water stains or well water where you live. This is a picture from Amazon, a before and after of how this takes out hard water stains from your tub. It takes off rust and iron, especially on tile. This is so affordable. Keep this on hand. You won't regret it. And are you ready for some under $10 home hacks? Love these.
This trick is awesome. These are just $3.75. You can get a pack of these bags that are perfect for all of your extra comforters and even your seasonal decor. I love them because they're in a tote. And this really reminds me of like a tart material. The zippers are awesome and they are so affordable. Let me show you this. These are really nice and big. And then you can take all of your seasonal decor that normally would get really dusty and just set it inside. It holds so much. It also is really great for comforters, blankets. This is also perfect for your garlands. Like you literally can put anything in these. Then once it's good, all you have to do is close it up. And these are really easy to tote around. It even has a spot in the front where you can put exactly what's inside. Plus they stack up.
And now from practical to beautiful.
If you've got a spot in your house with no available outlet, or you're like me and you wanted to install some beautiful wall sconces, these are a great option. They screw right into an existing spot where a light bulb would go, and they're on a remote control. This looks so custom, absolutely no wiring or hardware required. Like truly, this could not get easier. It is a 10 out of 10 product.
No electrician needed. Just take some sconces and install them into drywall anchors wherever you want in your home, and then put these babies right inside. These have a color changing feature if I want to do warm light or cool light or even fun colors. I think this is even better than having a direct install.
Up next are 2 kitchen gadgets that save you time you're gonna love. And the first is a handheld milk frother. Now you can get larger versions of these, but they're like 40 bucks.
The Zule kitchen option is under $10 to elevate your coffee experience. Now, what I really like about a handheld milk frother is they're so easy to use. I put mine at a 45-degree angle inside of my milk or heavy cream. In about 15 seconds, you have perfectly frothed milk. And I usually pulse this up and down a few times. I find it works best. Now, I am no barista, but I will say this tastes so good and is totally worth it, especially so affordably.
Which leads me to like some real honest parts of this video where I'm just gonna be super straight up with you, okay? I don't like Stanley water bottles. I actually bought this just to see, like, could I like this? No, I am absolutely returning it. Not only am I the type of person that is, if something is a craze, I wanna be like, no, I could totally dupe that for cheaper. It's just how I am. I also don't think these are that great of water bottles. My recommendation for a high-end water bottle is the Awala brand. And what's more, the top of this, you can actually take out the straw and you can just drink out of the top as you normally would a coffee. The Stanley version does not offer that. But what I do recommend on Amazon are really cute straw covers. You can get these for under $10. They're perfect for all of your water bottles, whether you wanna buy a Stanley, I still love you all the same, or you wanna use your tumbler or water bottle that you have, stick these on top. It also helps your water bottle stand out from the crowd. The only reason that I personally appreciate this type of water bottle is it can sit in the cup holder in my car. That's why I bought it in the first place, and you can totally get it cheaper.
If you're enjoying this video, would you leave a comment down below with your favorite find so far?
We are jumping into all of the beauty hacks, and these work for anyone. If your deodorant has ever stopped working, you know when you like start a new deodorant and it works for like 4 months amazingly well, and then you're like, I don't know, I don't like how this is working anymore. There's something about even after you use body wash and a loofah, you still don't smell the way you want to. This is a trick that I learned from a dermatologist, and that is to buy this pan-oxyl acne foaming wash. Now this is meant for your face, but it has the highest amount of benzoyl peroxide in it, which is 10%. This is going to neutralize all of the odor in your underarms. I use this about once every few weeks or so just for that reset. You can smell it working and like neutralizing all of the odor. I have not found anything that works better than this, and it is under $10. You guys know how much I love e.l.f. products from the Dollar Tree. They have tons of them there, but one that you can only find on Amazon is this e.l.f. color stick. Now this is kind of like a bronze powder, but what's great about this is you can use it as a blush, you can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it all over your face. It's only $5. It is so beautiful, it goes on so well, it's so light. I love the look of this one, totally recommend. Another e.l.f. product that rings in at just $8 is their lip oil. This stuff is absolutely beautiful. It is so high quality, especially for that price. Most comparable lip glosses are going to run you $25 to $26. Another item that I really like in an affordable category is this Maybelline eraser. This is a multi-use concealer, and it says that it's age reversing. This is so lovely. It's kind of got like this little fluffy top, and it just goes on so smooth on your under eyes when you use it after your hydrating creams. I'm a really simple girl when it comes to a lot of this stuff. I have tried like the more expensive creams, let's say like the Stanley water bottle of the creams, and I just didn't like them. At the end of the night when I need to remove my makeup, I go for this Versed Daily Dissolve Cleansing Balm. This smells so like minty and fresh. I love how this goes on in my skin.
I apply a dime-sized amount to dry skin and let it soak in and sit for a few minutes. And then I take these organic face towels.
And I just put these in really warm water, and I'm just gonna use it to wipe off the cleansing balm. And you can see all of the makeup coming off with it. Then I'm gonna take these facial exfoliators. You can get these on Amazon in a pack of 4 or from the Dollar Tree in a pack of 2. They're the same price no matter where you find them. And then I'm just gonna use this to gently like cleanse and clean the rest of my skin and clean out my pores. I love this.
I just put, again, a dime-sized amount right on top, and I just use CeraVe. I am pretty basic. I don't really wear a lot of makeup. I keep things really simple. I do get my eyelashes done. That is my splurge. But my favorite thing for keeping my skin looking really, really nice is to go through and do dermaplaning.
This is a Chic Hydro Silk Face Razor. All of like those little baby hairs on your upper lip. I've noticed, especially like getting close to 40, that all of those things are really starting to show up. This is a great way to both exfoliate your face and remove all of those hairs. And I use these razors in a disposable way. So I use it once and then I throw it away. This entire pack is right around $5. They're super cheap.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and get dermaplaning. This is super easy. It removes all of the dead skin cells on your clean, dry skin. It removes peach fuzz. It helps products absorb better, and it just makes you look nice and radiant. No filters required. I love this, and it's super easy. So I use a new razor every single time, and there's tons of videos like this, which I'll be sure to link some of them down below. And I'm just gonna work at a 45-degree angle in really short motions. And I usually do this about every 3 weeks or so, and I use a new razor each time.
I always do this on clean, dry skin, and you can see all of those extra little baby hairs it took off. It also helps clear out my pores and get off any layers of dead skin. I can do this really quickly in just about 5 minutes.
Get the mustache off.
I follow up with an affordable but hydrating cream.
Now that I have my hydrating cream on, I'm gonna add my Snail Repair Intensive Gel Eye Patches.
These are the best ones I have ever used. They are so moisturizing, I promise.
Everything will be linked in the description box below. Remember, my sweet friend, there is no product that can make up for the love that you have for yourself and others. Keep letting it shine, my sweet friend, if nobody has told you today. You are enough. I'll catch you in the next one.